Oh, it failed, unfortunately.
Here we go. Fantastic.
Which one? You last night, yeah?
Oh, it's done.
This one?
Done and installed.
Right?
Yeah.
And now our studio open.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, so we have two people in action.
So this one.
Did you install this?
Okay.
Okay. Here. Let me. Here, let me show you. Guys. Look up. Right. Who has installed our studio? Yeah, and everything is working now for you. When you open it up, it doesn't give you a message.
No.
Great, okay. Who needs to install it still? You need to install it also, yeah.
Yes.
Now, if it says something is missing when you try to install it, I'll show you what you need to type in to get it.
Which one?
So the first thing you need to do is install what I sent you last night. So does anyone still need to do that part? You said you did that, and it's giving you the message that you're missing something. Yes?
Me? Oh, yes.
So what you need to search for is this in Google, download or.
Yeah, I have it. You got the Wi-Fi? No, I don't get Wi-Fi.
Are you not getting the internet?
Download Wi-Fi, please.
Just or just download?
Download or, yeah.
No, Wi-Fi.
Download.
Check. It's connected. This one is connected. No, this channel is. Oh, this your phone?
Have you done that?
The internet is slow.
It's terrible, isn't it? It's terrible. Well,
Page.
how many people
Maybe.
You can do it for Windows.
to download or for Apple then? Thank goodness. I know there is an Apple version. There's a version for everyone.
Okay, good. Okay, download and
Do you have it? Right, but is your program
yeah, it's
working?
downloading.
It's downloading. It's nearly finished. Oh my goodness.
No, this one. What's the, do you know the code, the entries to spin for it? Oh, for my goodness.
Go free GCD.
Go free
Yeah. So look. Hey guys, if you need to connect to the other one with the password, you see here? With the password? I think the password is this. Go free GCD. It's faster maybe? It should be. So Mary, have you done this one?
Yeah, it's faster.
What?
What?
I know, I was talking to Mary. 44%? 44 seconds. Okay.
Look
Hey. Just focus on getting the program open. Have you done this?
It's low.
Hey, but if you're saying it's too slow, if you use GCD,
Yeah, that's
it's
fine.
faster.
Yes. True.
Yeah. Okay, so have you installed the OR if you need to install it? Did you get OR for Mac?
It's installed in program.
Download OR for Mac. Yeah, no problem. There it is right there. Did you get this?
Yeah,
It's downloaded. How long's left?
See?
No. How long's left?
almost done.
Oh, a few seconds.
Okay, then
Great.
open. Oh, not that one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we can start now. Yes.
Okay, now what? After you download it.
Which OR for Mac?
Yes, did you download it for Mac?
For Windows, yeah. Yeah, and did you install it? Click it?
Yes.
Yeah? Hi.
I can open.
What? This is why I wanted you to do it last night. Okay.
Just
Yeah, no.
phone.
Sorry, they're not. Oh, okay. It's loading. Right. Now, have you where's this saved? No. Okay, we need this one. Right. This one. Okay. Now, you need to run. Is this run?
Think.
Run when done.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll cancel this. Right. So when this one finishes, you can then run. You can then open this
Okay.
when this one is finished.
Okay.
How long is left?
30 minutes.
Minutes or seconds? Oh,
1 hour.
okay. Now you've got it open? Right, and you've got it open now?
Nearly.
Nearly. Goodness.
Please.
Just 1
Yeah.
minute. 1 minute.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
What they are gonna open? GCD open. Yeah, GCD password.
Password? Yeah.
What's password?
Go free GCD.
Go through GCD.
Okay, it's finished. Yeah, go.
Okay, I need to start. So while you're waiting for the program, you can at least write down on paper what I type in.
Yeah. I have the program.
No, take a pen. You have the program open? Show me. Impress me. Not impressed yet. Not impressed.
Okay.
No, you see, but this was the program I asked you to install last night.
Yeah, I did, but I didn't know it was this.
Okay, but now you need to download this or just by itself. Yeah, I know. I feel the same way. Okay. I'm going to start, and the people who are waiting for.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Great. Okay. Right. So if we have 2 people here. We have no one here.
Okay.
Now it's working for her.
I don't know.
No, she still has to wait. We have 1 person here and 1 nearly there. Okay. So can you? No. How long is left on yours? A few minutes. A while. Can you just write what we're doing until it's ready?
Okay, wait.
Okay. All right. Now we're going to use this program for a few lessons. So if you have it installed, great. If you don't, please do it after this class. Make, and if you can't get it working, please email me so I can tell you what you need to get it working. Okay? So, do you remember what I said this program is about? What do you use this program for? For data, yeah? So let me show you. So for the people who have the program open, we'll start off with something very simple. So what we'll do to begin with is we'll make x, and we'll make x equal to 1. Now, the way you do that, what's wrong? Is it open?
Yeah, I just told her it's open and I.
Right, so do you want to sit beside her?
No, no. It's okay.
Right, okay. So we want to make x equal to 1 to begin with. So we don't say x equals 1. That's not how we type it. The way you type it here is with a little arrow like this. Can you see? You do this symbol. You know this symbol, don't you? And then a minus. You make an arrow. And then 1. Can you see? Yeah. And then enter. Have you done that? I don't understand why there's so much talking. You just have to type this in. Crystal, or whatever your name is. No, sorry, you're Crystal. Hanny. No, that's not her name anymore. What is it?
Crystal.
You are Crystal.
I'm Jessica.
Jessica.
I'm
Jessica.
pretty.
Jessica, have you done this?
Yeah.
You've typed this in?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Now, if you press X, you should get 1. Now, I want you to make Y 3, for example. You done that? You can't see, no.
No, you just go.
Zoom in. Okay, so did you make Y equal to 3? Yeah? Now, what I want you to type in now is X plus Y. And then press enter. Here we go. Okay. X plus Y. And what should you get? 4. Oh, Jessica. Alright. Now, that's if you just have single numbers. If you want to multiply, you can do it as well with a star. You should get 3. And then what do you think you need for divide? A slash. Yes? Yeah. Have you all done that? Yeah? Okay. So this is like the basics. Jessica, have you done this?
Yeah.
Okay. So next we're going to start putting in some data, something which is more than one value. So let's say, for example, we have data. We'll call it data. Or we'll call it my data, actually. Be better. So how do we put in many values? Let me show you how to do that. Ah, yeah, okay, that's okay.
How do I do this thing?
It's data. I don't know. That's not. What's wrong with your? Don't know how your keyboard's set up. It's weird. What way have you got your keyboard? I don't know. It's in Arabic. There. Here it is.
Oh,
There. Okay. Now, yes.
Never done.
Yeah.
No, I do.
Okay. Well, yes.
No, it's never done.
Well, hang on. Okay.
But I did this
You did this.
again.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Some problem here with the laptop. Just let it try again. Okay. Now we want to put in many values. So the way we do that is we use a function called C. So you type in C brackets. You got that? Then we can type in our data. So for example, we'll put in people's ages. 18, 19, 18 with commas. 18, 19, 18, 20, 21, 18, 17, 22. Something like this.
How to make a new console?
To clear the screen,
Yeah.
Control L. Okay, and enter. Now, if you type in my data, you see you get all your numbers back. You see that? Now, watch this. If you type in mean my data, what do you think you get? You should get the mean average. And you do. What else did you learn to calculate in statistics with Joan? So, type in median my data. What, did you get the same answer? What else did you learn to calculate with Joan? The quartiles, yeah? So, maybe we'll do that at a later time, but anything else you learned? Range, what about standard deviation? So let's do SD, my data. Did you get the same number, 1.7? No, did you get this? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Really? You're not going to make me come down and see that it's not there? Okay. Alright, you said you also did quartiles. What else have you done in statistics? Is there a mode? Now this one here, I don't think it has a mode. 18, 18, 18. No, doesn't work. Okay. What else have you done? Range. I wonder if range works. I don't think it does. Oh no, it does. 17 to 22. Yeah. Yeah, now, what you can type in is summary my data. And you get your quartiles now. See? So what's the minimum? 17. The first quartile, 18. The median, 18.5. The mean, 19.12. The third quartile, 20.25. And the maximum is 22. Can you see why this program is useful? Yeah, it can give you everything really quickly. Yeah? Okay, what else have you done in statistics? Something maybe this week? Histograms. So if you were to guess, what do you think the function is to make a histogram? Oh yeah, I mean, what do you think you type in? Have a guess as a command. Do you think I type in something like, make me a histogram? No, no. If only life was that easy. What do you think the command is? Have a look at what I've been doing so far. Histogram, bracket, my data. You almost have it. It's just hist, my data.
We need to use this program for our assignment.
No, you don't need to, but I think you should because it can do the calculations quickly and easily for you. You know? Yeah? What's wrong? Now, we'll start a new console. So can you type in Control L? Control L, and it should clear.
Control.
L for loser. You got that? Yeah. What is wrong? Control L, L for loser. What do you not understand?
Then enter.
No, it's just.
Oh, control. I touched control.
Something not quite right here. Okay, so type in my data and the mean of my data, and it's 19.25. Now suppose you want to change your data. Suppose these are people's ages. What do we measure age in? It's in years, isn't it? And suppose we'd like to measure it in months, for example. So what you can type in is my data, the arrow, my data multiplied by 12. So what this will do is it will take your data and change it. It will multiply everything in it by 12. Can you see? Okay. So now if you type in my data again, you can see everything has been multiplied by 12. Can you see that? Okay, so now let's calculate the mean again. So mean my data, 229.5 this time. You got this? Yeah? Now, if you don't want to change the values, if you just want to make a new list, you just give it a new name. So like, for example, new data equals my data plus 10. So what do you think this will do?
That's with plus 10.
Yeah, and it doesn't change the value, it just puts it into something called new data. So if I type mean of new data, what answer should I get? You should be able to tell me this without calculating. What should mean of new data be? Yeah, so it should be 239.5. So let's see if we get that. And we do. Yeah. Okay, so what I want you to do to practice, make me something called new data, which is new data divided by 2. You half it. So make me something called new data, which is new data divided by 2. Yes? Okay. So what do you need to type in? Arrow, new data, /2. Yeah? Got that? Okay. So tell me, what other basic things do you need to do in statistics? So we've done averages, we've done changing the data, We'll have a special lesson on histograms though. That's just briefly talking about, but we will do proper histograms later. What other things do you need to do? Huh? Class, yeah. So the boundaries, tables, things like this. Also, you don't need to type all your data in. You can read the data in from a file. So what we'll do is we'll make an example file. I'll just put it on the desktop. So just open up a new text file, whatever, Notepad or whatever you want to use. So I'll just use a Notepad program. You know what I mean by Notepad? Just a plain text file, not a Word document, a plain text file. You got that? Okay. So mine's just loading. Here we go. So we'll make up some data here. I'll just call it data, and then on the next line we'll just put in some numbers. You pick any numbers like 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, whatever. Okay. Can you just make up some numbers, please? Crystal, are you doing this or not doing it? Yeah, which? Doing or not doing? You don't have to type the same numbers as me. Just type in 20 numbers about. Yeah, and just make sure each number goes on a new line. Have you got this? Yeah. Okay, so we'll save this, and I'll just save it on the desktop, and we'll call it data. But what's really important is at the back you must put data dot CSV. That's the type of file. CSV. It's like an Excel file but older. CSV. Have you saved it? Okay. Right. So now we'll go back to our program here. Let me just clear the screen. Now, do you see? Where's it gone? Yeah, you see here in session. You see? Have you got session? Set working directory. Choose directory. Yes? Okay. So when you click that, just pick the desktop or wherever you saved it. So I saved it on the desktop, so I just pick desktop and then open or save or close or whatever. Did you save it on the desktop also? Did you save it? Yeah. Have you done that? Have you done that? You set it to the desktop. Yeah, and then just pick select folder. That's okay, no. I think you have no dots, yeah. You have to give it a name. Now, come on, you can't call it file star.
I told you cyberphone.
What name it? Data.csv. Have you done it? No. That's not what I said. Delete that. Where's your menu? Go up to the menu. No, the menu at the top. Yeah. No, not this. I don't see. Try the next one. Yeah. I'll try this one. Wait, what's wrong with you?
I don't know. I just don't know.
There. Session, set working directory, choose desktop. Wherever you saved your file. Did you save your file?
No.
Pick desktop anyways.
Okay.
Guys, have you done that over there?
No.
What is what's wrong? Pick session, set working directory, choose directory, desktop. But I don't care that's not there. I just need you to pick the desktop. You shouldn't see it. Now, just double check, is it there? Yeah, and did you name it CSV at the end? Yeah, fine, but then everything is okay. Everything is exactly as it should be, okay? Alright. Have you done it? Right. So, you've now changed your location to the desktop where you saved your data. So now we want to read the data from our file. So the way we do that, we'll call it Stephen. Stephen's data. And the function you use, watch carefully, is read.csv bracket, and then in quotation marks type the name of the file, data.csv. And also, after you type the name, do comma, header equals true. Now I'll explain the two parts, the three parts. What do you think this does? Read CSV. Have a guess. Read the CSV. Congratulations to you. The next part, what's that? The name of the file. And what do you think this last part could mean? Header equals true.
Oh.
Yeah, but what do you think it could mean about the file?
It's true.
The header's true, is it? Yeah. Which means what exactly? Where is a header? What do you think of as a header?
At the top.
At the top. So what was at the top of my data? The word data. The title. So when you say header equals true, you're saying that it has a title in the file. Okay, enter. Have you done this, Jessica? Have you done this? Have you? Jessica, have you made a file with some numbers in it? No. Can you open up Notepad and make a list of numbers, then save it on the desktop? Okay. Have you all done that part? Yes?
True with capital letters.
Yes. Okay. You've done that? Is your program installed? Okay. Now, did you save the file? Why do you make my life difficult? Come here. No, that's good. No, right, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, now just give a name up the top here. We'll just call it X, the name, okay? Now save it. How do I save? Let's save on a Mac.
I don't know.
It's up here in Chinese. Tick file save. How do you save your work? Yeah. I don't understand. Like, I'm sure when you go home, you know how to save things and close things and open things. Why is it right now these basic skills are lost? Just save this document on the desktop. That's all I want you to do.
This is not here.
My goodness. What's it like? Control S on a Mac, or what is it? Command S or something?
It should be.
This is Notepad, isn't it? Is it like for?
Is it notepad? No. Oh, this one. It's this one. This notepad. Then it's like 100 pages.
It's really not okay. It's really not okay. Anyways, look, Jessica, we'll continue.
Yeah, okay.
Anyways.
Yeah.
So if you type in now Stephen's data or whatever you called it, you should get all the data from your text file. Can you check that you get it?
Yes.
You've checked already, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. So, give me the mean of the data. Now, we don't type in Stephen's data just like that. You type in Stephen's data, but that's not where the data was. What was the data called in the file? I called it data, you called it X maybe. What did you call it? Data. So you type in Stephen's data, $, data. So the first part is like where to go first. And then the second part after the dollar is where to go after that. So we go to Stephen's data and then we look for data. You get what I mean? Stephen's data is like the text file and data is inside the text file. So that's what this dollar is for. Yeah? Have you done that? Those who have it? Yeah? Okay, so let me just clear that. So maybe you don't like to type Stephen's data, $data all the time. So you could do something simple like this. X is Stephen's data, $data. Now X should have what you want in it. X, and there's my numbers. Yeah? Yes? So we'll look at this more again, but for your project you might have two pieces of data. So you could have, like, for example, data 1, comma, data 2, and then you have 5, comma 2, 2, comma 3, and etc. Have you been told about your project? Yeah, so it is a data project, but you'll have two sets of data. So for this program, you need to separate the data with a comma. 1, comma 1. That's what the C stands for. It's comma, yes. Hey, what's up? Which one? No. Colonel told me there wasn't many this morning. This has been everybody since the morning. Nobody escaped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Escape Stephen.
Escape?
Why don't you escape?
Nobody sought freedom? No? Yeah, okay. If she shows up, I'll send her by.
Oh, you're the guy to be talking to Mr. Milton, are you?
From today.
Oh.
because it was, what was the room last time? A 107.
Okay.
But I understood that was for 2 weeks only.
Yes.
Yes. So this is what we have, they were asking, this is what we have for the rest of the semester.
Is this the better room than D2 and 3 for D5? That's what you're technically down for on the timetable. It doesn't matter.
No, the Wi-Fi is,
So why can't they say here?
the Wi-Fi
Better
is,
in D2 and 3?
Wi-Fi's better in D2 and 3?
Yeah.
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 We'll swap it back?
Yeah, we'll swap
Okay,
it back.
next time we
We'll let
might
you
go
know.
back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think the Wi-Fi is messy, then it should be like that.
It does. It did.
Right, okay. Okay, thanks, Ian.
Alright. Okay. So look, you have the program working, you have the program working. It will be working next time. Oh, it was working, just no battery.
Yeah.
It's working. Yours is working. It's working. So you might need some help. So if you can't get it to work, you can come to the teacher's room. I can help you on your laptop.
I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, this is very
After lunch today, like 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, if you're free. Yeah.
This was the statistics.
Yes.
Yeah, but some students here are not taking statistics.
Are you a business student?
Yeah.
Then you're taking statistics.
Half math.
Ah, so you're a business math student.
Yeah.
Very good. So that is different for you. Still go anyway. Because like I said in the email, next year, your lecturer likely will have you using this program. Because this program is very good for lots of data. Okay? It's much more powerful than Excel. Yeah? Right, just before you go, I just want to show you one thing you can do in the program. You've done histograms, haven't you? Yeah. So have a look at this. Data, let's see. So this data here, this data is the height of, wait, just look please. I just want to show you some pretty pictures, then you can go after I take your names, okay? So this here is 10 students' height. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
These are 10 students' heights. Now, for example, here are 100 students' heights in a histogram. Here is 1,000 students and their heights in a histogram. So what's happening here? Here's 10,000. Sorry, let me start. Okay. 10 students, 100 students, 1,000 students, 10,000 students, 100,000 students. Have you seen this shape in maths? What type of shape is histogram is this called? No, you have. See how it's this nice kind of bell shape? Have you done this word? Bell? Yeah? No? What have you done with histograms? Just how to draw them, is it? Have you done? You just started. Okay, fine. So look. Another nice thing about this program is you can simulate data. Do you know this word simulate? So for example, this is 100 students with height of 150 centimeters and standard deviation of 5. Look. Now here's 1,000 students with height 150 and standard deviation 5. And here's 10,000 students. You see? So if I have 10,000 students and I get their average height, I should get about 150, and I nearly do. Yeah? So if I calculate the standard deviation, what should I get here? I should get about 5. So when I get the standard deviation of 10,000 students, it is 5.02. Okay, so another good reason for this program that makes it better than Excel is it can simulate data. Yeah. So there's many things that this program can do that Excel can't do. In fact, one thing that this program can't do, but you need to do for your assignment, is a histogram. This program can draw a histogram, but believe it or not, Excel, you can't make histograms in Excel. Yeah. It's surprising, isn't it? Because you can make a bar chart and a pie chart, but you can't actually make a histogram in Excel. Your assignment, you will need to make a histogram. So you can either draw it by hand, or you can make it in a program like this. Okay? So next time we'll start doing more difficult things. Today's lesson was trying to get the program started and some basics in it. So I think we at least have the program started with some basics in it. And maybe next time we can bring your plug.
Yes.
Okay. Now, just before you go, just give me your name as you go so I can get your attendance. Or let me just right here. I'll call them out. Crystal, John, no. Zoe, no. Tom, no. Sol, no. Anna, Arash, no. Tim, no. Samaya, yes. Simon, no. Mary, yes. Jessica, unfortunately. Ivan, no. Flora, no. Ellie, yes. That's you. Sean, no. Daniel, no. Bibi, no. Tariq, very unfortunate. And Saeed, why do you make things so difficult for me? I just want an easy life. No, you're not good at listening to me. I think. See ya. Yeah, come on in. Hey,
Get out of my classroom, please.
I'll fight you for it.
I'll tell you what, I have even better news. There's like 6 engineering students standing outside the office waiting for you now, including Jason and a couple other guys who I recognize his names, I can't remember.
Yes,
They're all sitting
I'm
there.
expecting them, but they're all eagerly waiting for me. I said it's at 12. I have something that they want. Their physics lab report.